Hi, I'm Hari. This is Sri Vidya. We are IT professionals in Bangalore. Welcome to our new home, which is situated at NCC Urban Green Province, Sajapur, Bangalore. Let us walk you through our home interiors done by Concolor. When we decided to do interior for our home, we started to explore a lot of options in Bangalore. But it is hard to decide in such way. Then we got a reference from one of my friend in Chennai, and we started to explore Concolor. They have done a quite number of projects in Chennai and Coimbatore last 12 years, which give me a confidence to go with Concolor. And then he have suggested to visit a few of his work, which we have already completed. And then I have seen a couple of projects in Chennai and find it very interesting.
So we expected a specific designs for a few units like Puja and the library unit, which we wanted as a unique.
I requested the Concolor team that I need a very simple and elegant design. I don't want a flashy design because it gives a restaurant and a hotel kind of a feel. So I have asked him to keep it simple, and I suggested a few designs. This is our TV unit. Here again I have asked for a very simple in order to put our TV and one Buddha statue. One side it is covered with a laminate, and the other side it is covered with a wooden groove with hand polish work.
This is a Puja unit. Puja unit specifically how we want is to do a partition between the living and the dining. It's a Ganesha statue and a tree-like structure backside, and there is a Kuttuvelaku wicket next to it. And the front side, which is on the other side, that is an open Puja unit we have.
In our first floor living room, we want to do our library. So we had one big wall in which we want to cover the full library so that we can keep many books. So again we have given some reference for this library in order to have many shelves. Accordingly, Shiva's team have given a design to keep books as well as some artifacts in it. In our master bedroom, the roof is very high and it has a hut type. So we want to have some special treatment. The roof is covered one side with full of grooves and the other side with some ledges. Along with it, we have covered with a focus light. And also we have done a wooden flooring in the master bedroom. And we don't want regular wardrobes in this room with a loft kind of an approach. We have asked a specific design over here. Then we have decided to go with which has two sliding doors. So in kids room, since we have a girl and a boy, we want that treatment to be done in the kids room. So it is like a pinkish and bluish pattern we have followed here.